Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Matatag Curriculum, PE and Health, Grade 4, Quarter 3, Lesson 1 and 2. Our topic for today is about concepts of safe and healthy eating. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning competency. Discuss the concepts and importance of eating safe and healthy food. Objectives. Understand the UN article Right of the Child to Nutrition. Explain the different parts of a food label. And identify the 5 keys to safer food. Content. First, concept of safe and healthy eating. Second, importance of safe and healthy eating. Let's have first a short review. Picks and jumbled letters. Arrange the jumbled letters to correctly spell the word that matches the picture shown. First picture. The correct answer is defense. Second picture. The correct answer is offense. Third picture. The correct answer is agawang base. Fourth picture. The correct answer is patintero. Activity number 1, matching type. Objective, at the end of the activity, the student should be able to identify and understand the concept of safe and healthy eating. Materials needed, paper and pen. Instructions. Matching type. Match column A with the corresponding item in column B. Write the letter of your correct answer on the line after each number. And here are the choices for column B. A. Tumbang preso. B. Golf. C. Batuhang bola. D. Archery. And E. Darts. First picture. The correct answer is letter C. Batuhang bola. Second picture. The correct answer is letter E. Darts. Third picture. The correct answer is letter A. Tumbang preso. Fourth picture. The correct answer is letter B. Golf. Fifth picture. The correct answer is letter D. Archery. Let's watch a short video clip. Here are the guide questions. First, what did you notice in the video? Second, what are the common problems mentioned in this video? Let's have vocabulary words. United Nation. The United Nations is an intergovernmental organization whose stated purposes are to maintain international peace and security, develop friendly relations among nations, achieve international cooperation, and serve as a center for harmonizing the actions of nations. Nutrition. Nutrition is the process of taking in food and converting it into energy and other vital nutrients required for life. Day 1. UN Article 24, Right of the Child to Nutrition. A. What is Article 24 of the United Nations all about? Number 1. In order to ensure prompt and effective action by the United Nations, its members confer on the Security Council primary responsibility for the maintenance of international peace and security, and agree that in carrying out its duties under this responsibility, the Security Council acts on their behalf. Number 2, in discharging these duties, the Security Council shall act in accordance with the purpose and principles of the United Nations. The specific powers granted to the Security Council for the discharge of these duties are laid down in chapters 6, 7, 8, and 12. Number 3, the Security Council shall submit annual and, when necessary, special reports to the General Assembly for its consideration. Letter B. How do you provide children with the right to have food? Number 1. Ensuring food availability. Making sure there is enough food produced and distributed in communities. Number 2. Supporting families. Helping families with financial aid, food subsidies, or programs to afford healthy meals. Number 3. Creating policies. Governments and organizations enforcing laws and programs to fight hunger and malnutrition. Number 4. Education and awareness. Teaching about nutrition and food rights to promote a healthier society. Number 5. Community support. Encouraging local efforts like food drives, donations, or feeding programs to help those in need. Activity number 1. Study the picture. Circle 5 unsafe practices to achieve proper nutrition. Appropriate nutrition is a right for every child. They have a right to eat foods that are healthy for their developing bodies. Parents and other caregivers must defend their kids' right to a healthy diet so they can grow up happy and healthy. The Convention on the Rights of the Child only makes specific mention of nutrition 3 times. However, the Convention makes it clear that a healthy diet should be viewed as a fundamental human right by emphasizing food, health, and care. According to Article 24 of the Convention on the Rights of the Child, children have the right to the best health care possible, clean water to drink, healthy food, and a clean and safe environment to live in. All adults and children should have information about how to stay safe and healthy. From UNICEF 2019. A vital component of growth and health is nutrition. A healthier diet is linked to better immune systems, safer pregnancies and deliveries, a decreased risk of non-communicable diseases like diabetes and cardiovascular disease, longer lifespans, and better health for newborns, children, and mothers. Children who are well learn better. Day 2. Healthy and unhealthy food. A. What are the differences between healthy and unhealthy food? Healthy food and unhealthy food differ in their nutritional value, impact on the body, and long-term effects. Here are the key differences. First, good for you versus not good for you. Healthy foods helps you grow, stay strong, and feel good. Unhealthy food can make you feel tired, cause stomach aches, and make you sick if you eat too much. Second, nutrients. Healthy food has vitamins and nutrients that keep you healthy. Unhealthy food has a lot of sugar and fats but not much that your body needs. Third is energy. Healthy food gives you energy to play and learn. Unhealthy food can make you feel sluggish or tired. Fourth, long-term health. Eating healthy helps you stay healthy as you grow up. Eating too much unhealthy food can lead to problems like cavities and gaining too much weight. B. What are the examples of healthy and unhealthy food? Healthy foods. Fruits. Apples, bananas, oranges, and strawberries. Vegetables. Carrots, broccoli, and spinach. Whole grains, brown rice, whole wheat bread, and oatmeal. Proteins, chicken, fish, beans, and eggs. Healthy snacks, nuts, yogurt, and apple slices with peanut butter. Unhealthy foods, sweets, candy, cookies, and chocolate bars. Junk food, chips, fries, and pizza. Sugary drinks, soda, juice with added sugar, and energy drinks. Fast food, hamburgers, and hot dogs. Sweet breakfast foods like donuts, sugary cereals. Healthy foods help you stay strong and full of energy, while too much unhealthy food can make you feel tired or sick. Choose healthy foods most of the time to feel your best. For our lesson activity, arrange the following food accordingly, based on the board food belong to healthy and unhealthy. A person is healthy and usually free from illness if they get the essential nutrients needed by the body. Eating nutritious food makes a person healthy and strong. Nutritious food also provides the energy needed by the body to do activities and repairs tissues and body cells. And there are three important meals. First is breakfast. Breakfast is considered the most important meal of the day. It recharges the body and gets you ready for the day. Second is lunch. This meal provides the energy to remain alert and focused throughout the day. And the third one is dinner. It helps to have a good sleep and be more alert the next day. Nutritional guidelines for Filipinos, according to the Department of Science and Technology 2012. Number 1, eat more fruits and vegetables every day. Number 2, consume fish, lean meat, poultry, egg, dried beans or nuts daily for growth and repair of body tissues. Number 3, eat a variety of food every day to get the nutrients needed by the body. And number 4, breastfeed infants exclusively from birth up to 6 months, then give the baby appropriate complementary food while continuing breastfeeding. Number 5, consume milk, milk products, and other calcium-rich food. Number 6, consume safe and clean food and water to prevent diarrhea and other food and waterborne diseases. Number 7, use iodized salt to prevent iodine deficiency disorders. Number 8, limit intake of salty, fried, fatty, and sugar-rich food to prevent cardiovascular diseases. Number 9, attain normal body weight through proper diet and moderate physical activity to maintain good health and help prevent obesity. And number 10, be physically active. Make healthy food choices. Manage stress, avoid alcoholic beverages, and do not smoke to help prevent lifestyle-related and non-communicable diseases. True or false? Write the word true if the sentence is correct and false if the sentence is not correct. Put your answer in the space after each sentence. Number 1. Attain normal body weight through proper diet and moderate physical activity to maintain good health and help prevent obesity. The answer is true. Number 2. Eating too much salty, fried, fatty, and sugar-rich food is good to prevent cardiovascular diseases. The answer is false. Number 3, consume safe and clean food and water is the main cause of having diarrhea and other food and waterborne diseases. The answer is false. Number 4, eat more fruits and vegetables every day. The correct answer is true. Number 5, use iodized salt to prevent iodine deficiency disorders. The correct answer is true. Day 3. Food safety. A. What are the food safety principles? B. Why food safety principles are important? Let's have a lesson activity. Find and encircle the word in the grid. Look for them either horizontally or vertically. It is very important that the food and water we consume be safe and clean. Meal preparation must therefore be done safely and hygienically. Clean, separate, cook, and chill is a simple lesson that will help prevent you and your family from diseases caused by food. 4 Food Safety Principles by Muyo 2017. A is clean. Separate different kinds of food to avoid cross-contamination. Keep poultry products, raw meats, and seafood away from ready-to-eat foods. B is separate. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water before and after preparing the food. Wash the work surfaces with hot and soapy water. Keep our appliances clean. Wash food thoroughly. C is cook. Cook and store food at safe and proper temperatures. Make sure that food is cooked thoroughly. To check if the food has been thoroughly cooked, cut the food open to see if it is steaming hot in the middle. D is chill. Cool it as quickly as possible for around 1 to 2 hours and keep it in the refrigerator. Make sure that the fridge is set between 0 degrees Celsius and 5 degrees Celsius. Do not leave perishable foods at room temperature. Any kind of food is no longer safe to eat if they have been the danger zone of 40 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit for more than 2 hours. Next is the importance of safe and healthy eating. What is a food label? What are the different parts of food labels? Food labels. The label breaks down the number of calories, carbs, fat, fiber, protein, and vitamins per serving of the food, making it easier to compare the nutrition of similar products. Be sure to look at different brands of the same foods. Nutrition information can differ a lot. Number 1, check the serving size first. All the numbers on this label are for a 2/3 cup serving. This package has 8 servings. If you eat the whole thing, you are eating 8 times the amount of calories, carbs, fat, etc. shown on the label. Total carbohydrate shows you the types of carbs in the food, including sugar and fiber. Number 3, choose foods with more fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Number 4, choose foods with lower calories, saturated fat, sodium, and added sugars. Avoid trans fat. This is a nutrition facts label that tells you what's in your food. Here's what it means. First is serving size. How much food is in one serving? Example, 2/3 cup. Second is the calories. How much energy the food gives you? 230 per serving. Third, limit this. Fat, salt or sodium, and sugar. Too much is unhealthy. Fourth, get enough of this. Fiber, vitamins, calcium, and iron. They help you grow strong and stay healthy. Percent daily value tells if something is a little, 5% or less, or a lot, 20% or more, of what you need each day. Let's have a lesson activity. Identification. Identify the following food label. Choose the correct answer inside the box and write your answer beside the number. Here are the choices. Serving size, percent daily value, serving per container, nutrients, and carbohydrates. Let's answer. Number 1 is serving size. Number 2, serving per container. Number 3, carbohydrates. Number 4, nutrients. And number 5, percent daily value. Learners' takeaways. Activity, compare it. Directions, divide the class into 4 groups. Each group has its own left and right icons. The teacher will present 2 nutrition facts. The group needs to compare the nutrition facts and identify which is the healthy and unhealthy products for 15 seconds. If the teacher tells which is the healthy product, the group needs to raise their left or right icon, depending on where the healthy product is placed. The students must wait for the count or signal of the teacher before raising their icon. And last, the group who raised their icon first and had the correct one will get 2 points. Here's the first one. The correct answer is left. Number 2. The correct answer is right. Number 3. The correct answer is left. Number 4. The correct answer is right. And number 5. The correct answer is left. Reflection on learning. As we go through this task, I want you to think about the healthy and unhealthy foods you know. Then, I want you to think about how you can use this knowledge in your daily life, whether you're at home, at school, or anywhere else. Remember, making healthy food choices helps you stay strong, focused, and full of energy. Formative assessment, true or false? Directions. Read and understand the statement carefully. If the statement is true, shade the circle. If the statement is false, shade the box. Number 1. The serving size found in nutrition facts suggests many servings to be taken or eaten. The answer is true. Number 2, if we eat food that contains a high level of sugar, our body becomes healthy. The answer is false. Number 3, cholesterol is a fatty substance that our body needs to function. The correct answer is false. Number 4, reading the nutritional facts helps us to know the nutrients contained in a food product. The answer is true. Number 5, high calorie intake helps our body to become thin and healthy. The correct answer is false. And that wraps up today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in.